Alright guys, I'm back with another Acorns YouTube video, and the market is currently closed. I recently uploaded a video earlier today when market was open. We didn't really gain anything, honestly. We're at a small loss. We closed off at a loss, but I mean, it's alright. This is all just short-term stuff anyway, and it's really no big deal. When you sign up for Acorns, this is really like a long-term set it and forget it beginner-friendly app. So obviously this will take some time to see some major price action and price movement, especially with me coming from the cryptocurrency market. We see price fluctuations on a daily, on a daily, minute, hourly basis. It's very volatile over there in the cryptocurrency side of things. So that's why whenever I see smaller losses like this, or just this isn't shit compared to what you would see in a cryptocurrency asset class or market. It's not shit. But anyway, I wanted to talk to you guys about time in the market rather than timing the market. When I started off investing into cryptocurrency back in the crash, the whole COVID crash last March, I ended up selling off some of the Bitcoin that I purchased at around, my first purchase of Bitcoin was around I don't know if it was 6,000 or 7,000, right? Now, I can't really do the math and calculate how much that I would have had right now if I didn't sell it off at the time, but hodling, whatever you want to call it, is usually your best bet, because you never know when that asset would appreciate. Now, I know I'm stating the obvious, but I know a lot of investors, right, that are experienced, and these are from the ones that have been in the game for a while. Influencers on YouTube, even my family, for example, would say, I wish I got into this game when I was in your age, or when I was around your age. And I'm in my early 20s. I'm barely 21. And, I took that advice to heart, saying, you know what? If you just hold on to this, it will pay off in the long run. So no matter how much you want to sell it, don't sell it, because you're losing that opportunity to get exponential returns if you just be patient. And I learned that. I had to learn that the hard way with the whole Bitcoin craze back in March, when it just crashed all the way down. I still have my foot in the water with Bitcoin. It's actually my second biggest holding in the cryptocurrency asset class, but that's for another time, another video. But sorry. Yeah, so I, as a young investor, right, as a newer investor, because I barely started this during March of last year, and that's still a new investor, a young investor, I want to use time to my advantage. As much as I want to dump a lot of my money into a cryptocurrency asset like Bitcoin, which I do, and I'm just holding on to it for the long term, because Bitcoin still has a long way to go. Cryptocurrency in general has a long way to go, in my opinion, before we see adoption. And I honestly can't wait to see that, because that's where we'll see all of the return, the return on investments is the phrase I was looking for. If we get into this shit early and this becomes adopted, in multiple countries, the US, Europe, Asia, and we're starting to see slow adoption right now. You have Tesla now accepting Bitcoin for you to purchase one of the cars that they have, which is really intuitive, in my opinion, because it's pressuring other people, other institutions to, maybe consider this as another form of store of value. A good point for Bitcoin is, hey, we could use this to hedge against inflation. That's what I hear a lot of people using it for, and it's actually not a bad idea. A fully decentralized store of value, which in my opinion is a really good idea, and I see the fundamentals to Bitcoin. Now, a lot of people would disagree with me, especially old school investors, which there's nothing wrong with. I feel as if everyone's entitled to their own investment and financial opinion. But I stick with mine because it's what's been working with me throughout this journey. Now, I'm going to start doing more of these commentaries for you guys, just sharing my thoughts on the overall market, just taking you guys through what I'm thinking about, because I feel as if it's important for me to share with you guys, what goes on in my head before I invest, or just any sort of life update that I'm really willing to share. Unfortunately, I can't really show you guys like a exponential return like other YouTubers that have stuck with the Acorns investing, because this is literally, I literally just started taking this app seriously not too long ago anyway, so you're not going to see these huge returns just yet, but it all takes time, honestly. The ETFs that are in here are very, very long-term based ETFs. Some people would even say that the portfolios or the portfolio assets on here aren't as aggressive as they should be, which I do agree with to a certain degree, but story for another time. But I hope you guys enjoyed the update video today. I just wanted to share with you guys my overall thoughts on what's going on right now, and we'll see how this portfolio does throughout the month, the week, the month, and the whole year, because we're just going to see how long we could keep this thing going, because I really want to see how compounding interest works in the long term. And seeing a lot of volatility and quick gains that I've been getting with cryptocurrency, I don't, I want to know what it's like to be a little bit more patient, and it feels good watching your money grow over time. And there's nothing wrong with getting those quick gains in cryptocurrency, but I still play the long-term game with cryptocurrency. I'm still holding on to the bag, and hopefully it all plays out in everyone's favor, honestly. But yeah, I can't wait to bring you guys more content on this channel with my Acorns portfolio, and we'll see how the market does throughout time. So see you guys in my next update video, and hopefully we'll see some more big deposits in this account, so we could see bigger returns. So I'm gonna document all of that for you guys. Anyways, thank you guys for watching.